Discover the key to nourishing your body and achieving your wellness goals, introducing the incredible benefits of 310. Shake. Fuel your body with 15 grams of high-quality plant-based proteins and 5 grams of fiber, designed to support weight management and muscle maintenance while keeping you satiated. Our shakes offer over 25 superfoods, along with essential vitamins and minerals, providing your body with the nutrients it craves for optimal health and vitality. At just 110 calories per serving, 310 shakes are the perfect meal replacement for those focused on weight loss without compromising on essential nutrition. Experience the benefits of 100 billion CFU of probiotics and digestive enzymes, promoting a healthy gut and reducing bloating. Plus, adaptogens help balance stress levels for enhanced mental clarity and focus. Rest assured, with 310 shakes free from gluten, dairy, soy, sugar, artificial additives, and crafted to meet the highest purity and quality standards. Enjoy the convenience of 310 shakes, easily mix with water, milk, blend into smoothies, or create nutritious recipes for a health-boosting meal on the go. Elevate your nutrition with 310 shakes. Visit the link for more details on products.